So I'm going to tell you, my zookeeper puddle broke, so I used tape from kinetic tape. It's really expensive, but it held. So that's an idea. So my ankle doesn't feel good, but it's not good. You able to fish here? Today is April 4th, 2024, and I had the pleasure to dive with Nature Dive, and one of their best dive masters, Kimmie, who taught me the ropes. She took me over the pinnacle, under the pinnacle, between the pinnacle, in the pinnacle, and around the pinnacle. And then we went around again, and she found a whole bunch of fish. And she's really nice and pointed out some fish for me. So I can't take credit for finding all these, but we have 4 to start. She got all the big ones, I got the little ones. But we're happy with the production because there hasn't been a lot of fish around supposedly. So that's not as good as I thought. No, look at this. So, and Joe's over here. Oh, this is my lionfishdivers.com sticker. Hey, Kimmie. Oh, this one's pretty big, Kimmie. I don't know.
Okay.
It looks like maybe pretty. Yeah, yours is fatter. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3. Oh, fresh. Wiggle. 3. My one's pretty close. Bigger. Which one? This one?
Mine's look bigger.
This one's fatter. I don't know. Let's go the length. Good look. Yeah, yours bigger.
Yeah.
Yeah. No. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12.
Yep.
Okay, we're here today with Joe.
Joe, how long have you been cleaning fish?
Oh, wow. That's what you do with mahi and triggerfish.
Yes, end up getting stung. Try and keep the bones out. So the bones are right there.
Yeah. By the stomach.
Just, got one little bone, but they, in the kitchen, they take the bones out. Okay. Slippery.
Yeah, that's much easier. Doing a nice job, man. You didn't get stung.
Yeah, the only ones that get stung are the hidden spines, like the hidden spine trick.
Like in the side or whatever.
Yeah, when it, one in there, you don't see it.
Nice voice. So Kimmy, I was saying that. No. 25 minutes.
Spreading the word.
Nice one.
Yeah, just wait a little bit.